Welcome back to 2-minute tutorials. Let's get right into it.
Once you have media in the media pool, it's time to add it to the timeline. Double click media for it to appear on the right, or click media and source clip. Click and drag the endpoints to the start and finish of the desired clip length. The clip length will appear next to the file name in the top right of your screen. Once you have adjusted the length of the clip, click and drag it to the timeline, or click a pen to add to the end.
If you already have a clip in the media pool you wish to use, you can drag it straight to the timeline. If you wish to adjust the length of the media in the timeline, go ahead and click between two clips. The two outside facing brackets appear. From here, you can adjust the clips. And that is how you add media to the timeline. If this tutorial helped you in any way, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.